this is like weird to start off like an intro with like, you know, my brows on, but I just wanted to get that out of the way. Anyways, oh my god, I forgot rings. Yeah, I'm gonna go put on some rings right now. I like to have rings on when I'm filming. It's just, I do have nails and I feel like my hands are like plain. Can you tell? Like they're plain, and I don't like plain, especially on a video, you know? But yeah, so for today's video, it is going to be a fall look. Now, I was supposed to film a video last week, and it was supposed to be fall. A fall look, bring on the fall, I don't know, did it fall vibes? Yeah. And I used the new Morphe 350 palette. But I used it and I like the palette. I really do like this palette, but the shades that I used were not really fall-ish, so it kind of messed that up. So like I need to really actually do a fall look with this. Yeah, but I'll just swatch a couple on camera, cause like look at how beautiful that is. Like look at, it's not really picking up the, like how vibrant they are, which kind of sucks, but like when you see it in person it's a lot better than in camera. But I just kind of wanna swatch this one. It's just like it's actually like a pressed glitter. Like look at that, can you tell? When I say it's a pressed glitter, it's a pressed glitter. Like look at that. It just stays. And I know there's still a little bit on my finger. It feels really nice though. Maybe I'll use this today. I don't know. But I would have to see if I have to like put a base down or something, because I feel like it wouldn't like stick. Go to sleep. You go to sleep? Go to sleep, boy. Yeah, you go to sleep? Yeah, go to sleep. Okay, good night. A lot of the like cranberry shades are very pretty, but yeah, like these right there, like over here, are like burgundy shades. Ooh, and this cranberry shade, ooh, I think I know what I want to do. This cranberry shade right here, and oh my god, how do we do that? This one, no, this one. Yeah, that one. Maybe do, ooh, I have a look in mind. I have a look in mind. I know what I'm going to do. I know. I do know. Oh god, I'm crazy, I swear. Oh, and I have the other Morphe 350 palettes out just in case I want to dip into them, because it's, you know, all sisters, so gotta at least do that, right? Wow. And it comes off in like wow, it doesn't even leave anything. Well, a little, but okay. My nails are still nasty underneath. I'm gonna definitely let my nails breathe, obviously, after a while. I'm gonna get Halloween nails. That's what I want, is Halloween nails. To last, and then I'll like just let it go. I am going to do, you know what, I'll just do one eye on camera and then do the other eye off of camera, so we can just get this done and over with. The first thing that I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids, and usually I go in with the P. Louise base, but I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. I mean, it's not different for me, but you're watching this, so it's going to be different for you seeing me do this. This is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I'm just going to take it in vanilla. I don't know if you can see that, like, I don't know. But I'm just going to use this to prime my eyelids. Because I'm not like, I don't want like too light of a base, because I know P. Louise is a lot lighter than this concealer. So I'd rather just like go in with this concealer, and this is also full coverage, so it's pretty much like a P. Louise base, but it is not obviously a... My face, I don't know if you can like tell, but look at this. It is horrible. Look at that. I'm like, really? And just taking any kind of like sponge you want and kind of just blend it out. I think I still have eyelash glue from the other day. Like, that's kind of nasty. Don't we just love life? Especially the makeup life, you know? So in the Daisy Marquez palette is the shade Bittersweet. And I'm gonna take that as the darker shade, but I'm just gonna go in with the, obviously, one of the lighter shades first. That way we can go in and make it like there's depth to it, you know? I think just taking this burgundy shade right there. That is a pretty color. Right now, I'm gonna do a half cut crease today. That looks okay. Like in the camera, it looks like super vibrant in the camera. My skin is just a bad day. Just gonna go in with this one, this like pinky salmony color. Yeah, you know? So I'm just gonna take a clean brush and I'm just gonna blend that out. Go in and blend those pinks together, because you could definitely tell they're two different colors. I'm gonna cut my crease. Very pretty shade. I like it. I don't really kind of like go for these like colors. This one right there. I don't really kind of go for those. Putting that on my lid is like a lot for me. Like, I don't do that, so like I'm like scared. Now what I'm going to do is do my eyeliner. I think I want to do eyeliner. No, I'm just going to leave it because I feel like I'm going to mess that up if I do eyeliner, so I'm just going to leave it like that. I'll line my lash line with black eyeliner, but I'm just going to do that off camera to save some time. And then I will be right back to oh wait, before I even do that, the rest of it, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. The highlighter in Lit, and I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone using it because I actually do love the shade. Obviously I'm gonna go do eyeliner, but I'm gonna do it off camera, save time and save my battery, and then I will be obviously right back. I just went off camera and did the other eye, and then I did my lower lash line, and I just used the same colors that I used for my eyelid. Obviously not the lid color, just whatever it was in the crease and everything like that. For inner corner, before I even do my brows off camera, retouch up my brows, I'm just gonna do my inner corner. And I'm gonna apply that green shade. Just this one. These. Oh my god. I always do that, especially when I have nails on. Oh my god, this shimmery green shade. Apply that to my inner corner. Okay, I think that's good. Oh my god, look at my hand. Like, I don't know if you are gonna be able to like tell on camera. Like, look at that. I don't know if you could tell. It looks so crusty. Gross. Okay, I'm just gonna apply my lashes off camera and redo my brows off camera. Save a little bit of time, but I am gonna use Miami Lily lashes, so maybe, I don't know. I was thinking about using some other ones that maybe look good with this, but I will see. I will tell you if I do change it, okay? I will be right back. Okay, so I finished up and I just used the House of Lashes in Featherette. Sorry, I have them labeled because like I didn't want to have them in the box anymore because they took up too much room. Anyways, I just took those lashes. I think it looks good. I like how it came out. But now we're gonna move on to lips. Now I don't even know which kind of lipstick I'm going for. I don't really have like that much orangey like shades. Yeah, I don't really have any orangey shades. I usually wear a lot of nudes. I mean, I could go in with Gemini. I don't know. What do you think? What do I think? Yeah, I'm just gonna go in with Gemini. This is Gemini by obviously Jeffree Star. You know, I'm just gonna apply that to my lips. Does that look good? I don't know. You know what? There could be another like different color, but honestly, that's probably as like close as it's gonna get. So I'm just gonna stick with that. Okay, I am done. That kind of took me. Okay, it didn't really take me as long as I like thought it would because this was a lot easier to actually do. Sorry, I'm just gonna clean my hand off because there's a lot of gunk on it. But yeah, I kind of dig it. I do dig it a lot. I don't like. Did I plan this? No, I did not. Did not plan it at all. But I mean, once I kind of opened the palette, it just kind of like came to me. Usually that's what I do. When I finally open it, it just, wow, a look pops into my mind. Hope you guys like enjoy this look. I'm trying to like see if I can. I don't know, I dig it. I really like it. Sorry, I'm just looking in the viewfinder. I mean, I don't know if it could like, it's not as vibrant on camera, but I mean, I can deal with it. I don't like, I always try to say I want to do fall, like, that's the main thing. I mean, do I think these are fall colors? Yes, like, the leaves and everything when it like changes color. I don't know, like when everything is changing, that's what I mean. Yeah. I mean, I don't think this is a wearable look every single day, but I mean, I tried. Maybe next time I'll try to do like a smoky eye or something, because it's not really wearable for fall. But I don't know, one day I'd have to like play with makeup on my own as I'm getting ready to go somewhere. That way, if it's like a fall look, it'll just come to my mind instead of sitting here on camera, me being a whole different person on camera. If you like this look, subscribe, give it a like, whatever you want to do. I will see you guys in my next video.